I'm Keith Macpherson, and I'm a mindfulness coach and author, and I love to work with people to help them discover their true potential. So many of us are walking around in the world and we're totally unfocused, scattered, not sure about what we really want, and I really try to help people narrow down what it is they want and bring more meaning, more mindfulness, more depth into their lives. We're living in a time really where anxiety is just like skyrocketing. The levels of anxiety and depression are just out of control. We're living in a time where we're bombarded with noise coming at us all the time, whether it's social media or the news. Just all sorts of different sources are coming at us, all this technology that's available. Very, very seldomly do we take the time to just slow down. So many of us in our world are in this brain of multitasking. Multitasking is one of the most harmful things we can do to our brain. Our brain wasn't designed to do a gazillion things all at once. Our brain was designed to only do one thing at a time. We end up accomplishing more by trying less, by worrying less. It takes double the amount of energy in our brain when we're worrying than it does to just focus on the one task at a time. Mindfulness has become such a buzzword in our culture. People are using this word very freely, but very few of us actually know what this word means and how to really integrate it into our lives. I've got a brand new book coming out called Making Sense of Mindfulness. In my work, in this book, and also a framework that I've put together, I put on workshops and I work with people and I help them learn the steps to mindfulness. When we actually show up to who we are and we get in touch with who we really are, it's the most powerful thing in the world, because now is the moment of power, and when we're standing in our power in this present moment, anything becomes possible.